fucking finger off. Cut my finger off. Had my finger wrapped around. I was like, oh shit, that hurt. Very good. It's you, my pretty. I'm trying to. Leave me alone. Oh, straight in the net. Woo. Do. I should do a barrow dance. I should make up a barrow dance. Do. Hey baby, where are all your fish? That one's a keeper. Gotta be a keeper. I got the snips. Oh, I got it. Yeah, I think I was behind. Looks like they're catching something too. Can't say it's barrow though. Looks like bream. What have we got? 60, he's just in.
You want to keep it?
Nah, I'm sure we'll catch more during the day.